In this tutorial, we'll explore the power of Goroutines in Go, a feature that allows your programs to run multiple tasks concurrently. This can greatly improve performance and responsiveness. Let's say we have a function that prints numbers from 1 to 5, with a 500 milliseconds delay between each print. If we run this function sequentially, it can take a while to complete. Goroutines are lightweight threads that can run concurrently with the main program flow. We can use the Go keyword to start a new Goroutine. Let's run 2 instances of our print numbers function concurrently using Goroutines. This can greatly speed up our program's execution time. When using Goroutines, it's essential to avoid sharing variables between them. Instead, use channels to communicate between Goroutines. In summary, Goroutines are a powerful feature in Go that allow your programs to run multiple tasks concurrently. By using Goroutines, you can improve performance and responsiveness in your Go programs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.